This component is 4 millimeters wide. It has 15 teeth, each tooth precise to 0.001 millimeters.
This watch costs $75,000. There's a 5-year waiting list to buy one, and Rolex won't rush a single second of making it. From raw steel to 220 hand-assembled components, to a watch tested at 300 meters underwater. The Rolex Submariner.
Plan-les-Ouates, a suburb of Geneva, Switzerland.
Rolex produces approximately 800,000 watches per year. That sounds like a lot, until you learn that each watch takes up to 14 days to complete.
In 1926, Rolex patented the world's first waterproof case. Before any worker touches a Rolex movement, they pass through an air purification chamber.
This is 904L steel. It's not available on the open market. Rolex developed it exclusively for their own watches.
Rolex melts its own gold, in-house. Each batch is 18 carats, 750 parts gold per thousand.
This is synthetic sapphire. Rolex grows it themselves over 30 days in their own crystal facility.
This ceramic can't be scratched by metal. Its color doesn't fade under UV light. Rolex calls it serichrome.
Every Rolex caseback carries a unique serial number, no two identical, laser engraved to 0.1 millimeter.
Purchase. The spring bar is 1.8 millimeters in diameter. If it fails, the watch falls from your wrist.
Simpsons. COSC is not enough for Rolex. They created their own standard, Superlative Chronometer. Only one MRI machines generate enough magnetism to stop most watches. The Rolex movement doesn't notice. The parachrome hairspring is virtually non-magnetic.
This watch was rejected. A scratch, 0.3 millimeters long, invisible to the naked eye at arm's length.
14 days, 220 components, 12 production steps.
Rolex has never been sold, never been listed publicly, still owned by a private charitable foundation. After 120 years, they're still just making watches.
If you've never seen how something is made, subscribe. We go inside a new factory every week. Next week, something that costs $200,000 to build.
Click here for our last factory tour, and here for a video you haven't seen yet. I'll see you inside the next factory.
Rolex has never been sold, never been listed publicly, still owned by a private charitable foundation. After 120 years, they're still just making watches.